Today I'm going to show you how to make super flavorful lobster spring rolls. It's like Limp Bizkit always says, you got to keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
We're going to start by making our dipping sauce. Dipping sauce. We're going to start with about a quarter cup of water. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're going to dissolve that sugar with a little tiny whisking. This also makes a very sweet beverage. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. You're so tasty, fish sauce, but why do you smell like hot garbage? Juice of half a lime. Ooh, yeah. Mix all that together. Now we're gonna chop some things. Like me, I'm a chopped unk. That's what the cool kids say, right? I'm gonna chop up 1 red chili pepper. Whew! That be fire. Put those chilies in the bowl. Now wash your hands. Or don't. Future pains are cool. Wash your hands. Chopped unk. What does that even mean? A little bit of vampire poison. Gonna put that in the bowl as well. Chop up some green onions. Ow. Green onions go in. Meow. This sauce is gonna be sawsome. Gonna chop up some cilantro. I'm gonna keep half of it for the egg rolls. Egg rolls. Spring rolls. Spring rolls. Spring rolls. Cilantro goes in the bowl. Whee. Now we're gonna chop up some mint. Fun fact, mint actually comes from chewing gum. Isn't that interesting? We're gonna put in half our mint. Whoop. Now mix up all that goodness. Ooh. And that's gonna be our dipping sauce. Now we're gonna put this in the fridge while we make the spring rolls. Spring rolls, good for all the seasons, not just spring. Look, we made a new friend. Hello. Stupid. You're gonna be a star, kid. Let's break up our lobster. We're gonna start by removing the claws. There we go. We will also remove the tail. Oh, that's juicy. Remove the little legs too. They've got meat also. Now let's get that meat out of there. Time to get to work. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, yeah, there we go. And after going to war, this is what we're left with. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit so my apartment doesn't smell like death later. Now we're gonna grate about 3 carrots. Don't lose your fingers. Whoop, little pile of carrots. Carrot break. We're gonna put the carrots in the bowl. Whoop. Ooh. I'm removing the seeds because I don't want it to be too liquidy. A little dice of cucumber. Yeah. And then these ones go in my mouth. Cucumber goes in the bowl. Whoop. Easy peasy, lemon avocado. In the same bowl, I'm also gonna put in our lobster meat. I'm also gonna put in our extra mint and cilantro from before. Herbalicious. A little bit of lime juice to lubricate everything. Boop, boop. And I'm also gonna do a couple spoons of our dipping sauce, but not too much. And now we're gonna mix all that up. Let's make our spring rolls. Rice paper goes in here. Rice paper is super versatile. You can make all kinds of foods with it. And some costumes. Hello, Clarice. Ooh. Some of our filling goes on. Just a little bit of vermicelli. Gorgeous. So pretty. It's a labor of love, but it's worth it. Look how pretty these are. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Hi. Hi. Super fresh. Oh my God. Woo! I like you. Hello. The texture of the lobster in here is so perfect. If this isn't a perfect summer snack, I don't know what is. Bye, friends. Spring rolls in my mouth.